Hey guys, this is Vignesh here, and today I shall be walking you through my screencast for the homework 3. This homework involves the usage of caches, proxies, and queues. And in today's screencast, we shall try to achieve creation of routes for methods get and set, and creating a route to show the most recently visited sites, and a route to upload and pop images, and finally a route to display cat facts from either the file system or from the Redis cache. And finally, we shall demonstrate the working of this toggling cache, by which we can access either the Redis cache or the main memory. So before we get started, make sure that your Redis server is started and up and running. And once it is, we can execute our program by running node main.js. There you go. The app is started and it's listening on port 3000. And let us first demonstrate the usage of the set route. Uh, what this does is it basically creates a key that is valid for 10 seconds, after which it expires. There you go. So as you can see, a key named Vignesh has been set, which is going to expire in 10 seconds. Let's try retrieving it. And once we retrieve it, we get the value, which is the message that is being displayed on the screen. And do note that this message is going to be valid only for 10 seconds because the key will expire within 10 seconds. Since 10 seconds have passed since we have set it, let's try running get again. And now you can see that the key has expired, and we are unable to get any value for the key, and the corresponding message has been logged to the console. Next, we shall show the usage of the recent route. So this basically shows us top 5 most visited, or most recently visited sites. Let's do a set, and let's do a get, and let's visit A and a B, which doesn't exist, and another set. Let's now try to access recent route. As you can see, it displays the 5 most recently visited sites. However, keep in mind that when you do run the recent route, it also displays the recent route that is currently being run as the most recent visited site. Let's now create routes for uploading and the meow functionality. To do the upload of an image into our stack that is being used, we shall use the curl command. And as you can see, this is how it's implemented. So by doing this, we have uploaded the morning.jpg image, and let's do the Harry Potter next. Oh, my bad. And finally, we can do the ice cream. So there you go. Now, ideally, when we do use the meow route that retrieves these images from our stack, we should be getting the ice cream first. There you go. And when we run the meow again, we get the Harry Potter, and finally we should be getting the morning.jpg. There you go. Now keep in mind that since now that all the 3 images have been popped out of the stack, when we try accessing this route again, the stack will be empty, and hence we will not be getting any image as the response. And as you can see, there is no image being displayed on the screen. Let's now move on to creating a route for the cat fact. Basically, using this route, we retrieve cat fact based on the number provided by the user. However, this is done using 2 mechanisms. The first mechanism is through using a regular file system where the fact is retrieved from the file and it is displayed. However, the Redis cache keeps entries in it for like about 10 seconds. So once we do retrieve a fact from the file, it is going to stay in the cache for 10 seconds, and within the next 10 seconds, whenever it is accessed, it is going to be picked up from the cache. So let's pick up fact number 29. There you go. As you can see, it is being accessed from the file memory. Now when we do run it again, it's going to be accessed from the Redis cache. So keep in mind that this is going to be valid only for the 10 seconds, and when we try accessing the same fact after 10 seconds, it is no longer going to be present in the cache. And I think we have passed 10 seconds now. Let's try running it again. There you go. It is being accessed from the file memory. Finally, I shall demonstrate the working of the toggling cache. Basically, when the cache feature is set on, our Redis cache comes into play, and whenever we retrieve a value from the file memory, it is going to be stored in the cache for 10 seconds. However, when the cache is turned off, every time we try retrieving a cat fact, irrespective of how long time has passed, the fact is going to be retrieved from the file memory. Let me show you how it is done. So let us try retrieving fact number 37. There you go. It is accessed from file memory, and now it is being accessed from the Redis cache. Let me now turn the cache off. As you can see, the cache has been turned off. Now let us try accessing 37. It is being accessed from the file memory, and when we do it again, even though it is lesser than 10 seconds since we last accessed it, it is being retrieved from the file memory. This is because the cache feature has been turned off, and every time it is being picked from the file memory. Well, I guess all the features that were necessary have been covered in the screencast, and I hope you guys were able to follow me. Thank you for watching patiently, and have a nice day.